Hi everyone! Today we're going to test another front turn signal light product, 1157 Red Amber Switchback LED. So 1157 is a high-power turn signal lights including amber and red two lights color. Okay, let's open it. So we can see that the structure is surrounded by light beads, 48 light beads on the right light and 12 at the front. So it's 60 light beads in total. Also, the LED lamp adopts the Epistar 3528 SMD LED dual chip. Especially the dual chip is different from other usual chips because the lightness is much better and it has two colors. So let's do some testing here. When you switch on, the amber is on. And then switch on the other one, the light turns red light. Let's take a look at the details. The red color is 6000 K, while the amber color temperature is 3000 K. We can see that 1157 is pretty easy to install. Plug and play, very short responding time, quickly switch on and off, and also shock proof. Even if we shake it heavily like this, the light is still unaffected. So this is our testing video for this product. If you like it or want to learn more about the installation and instruction videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. More new products are coming soon. Thank you very much.